Okay, hold on. Now let me take that. Yours is confirm express one, right? Is there a normal tech word there? A normal academic word there?
For me?
What about yours also, Sophia? Yours doesn't have, huh? Can I see yours? Is yours the same as Sophia? You look at her book. Is this the same as yours?
Wait. No, mine. No, that's not the same.
Yours is discovery, yeah.
Huh?
The one at the head. The head, is it? Yours got the head.
Wait.
You take. So are you going to school on Monday, tomorrow, Shafika? You going to Arabia or Marif or where? Aljunied.
Yeah.
Wow. Aljunied has is it a religious track itself? That means you will become Ustazah lah. Maybe. No, okay. Can I see yours? Okay. Did you buy the workbook also? Did you buy the workbook, Sophia?
Workbook.
Okay, never mind. You show me the book. I want to take a screenshot.
This one.
Yeah. Okay, you know that there's a workbook. Do you buy the workbook? No, did not. Is your school using the workbook or not?
Yeah, this is the workbook.
This is a workbook. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, then. So now, since you have yours, you have hers. Shafika, can you buy her workbook? And Sophia, can you buy Shafika's workbook? Okay, I'm just going to show you the workbooks so that you all know. Okay, just hold on. Where is it? This one. Hold on. No. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. So I will share screen with you. Okay, can you see this one, Sophia? I will send you this title for you to buy, and then Shafika, I will send you this one for you to buy. Okay? So why is it we are buying each other's workbook? Very simple. This is the best assessment book. The workbook of your textbook is the best assessment book. Since, Sophia, you're not using Think Mathematics, and Shafika, you're not using Discovery, might as well you use each other's stuff. So the work that we do will be a mixture of the two books. But don't copy lah, don't copy, okay? So we'll start now with the very beginning. But again, this one is no different from, okay, just a moment. So how has your holiday been? You all went for any staycation? No staycation. Okay, here we go. I don't think I need to use it. Can you see the screen? Do you know what's prime numbers? Sophia, why are you hiding, Sophia? Do you know what's prime numbers? You know what's prime numbers? Don't know.
No.
Shafika, you know prime numbers? Shafika, I don't know. So, Shafika, are you there? No. You know what's prime numbers? You don't know. Okay. So I have to go to the board lah. I thought I could do something. Okay, now I have to come back from. Okay, let me come back into the real world lah. I need to come back to the real world lah. I cannot go to the seaside. Okay, but anyway, here we go. Okay, your first few lessons actually is no different from the normal academic. So actually we can have the lessons together, but I'm not too sure whether we're going to do that. But anyway, now our prime number, you can write this in your exercise book, okay? Prime number. Prime means like prime minister. That's important, right? Optimus Prime, you know Optimus Prime? Not? Something important, right? You know what I'm talking about? Optimus Prime, what show is it? Is it Predator or Alien?
It's isn't it like Transformers?
Yeah, just checking whether you know. Okay, so prime number, the number can be divided by only two numbers. By two numbers only. And one of them is 1, and the other one is itself. Okay? So let's say the number 5. What are the factors of 5? Factors of 5. What times what equals to 5? 1 times
1
5,
times.
right? So can you see 1? It can be divided by 1. And itself. So 5 is a prime number. 8. Let's say 8. Factors of 8. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 4, 8. There are 4 factors. So not a prime number. Prime number only can be divided by 2 numbers. 1 and itself. So what is the smallest prime number? Shafika or Sophia, either one. Can you think the smallest? 1. You agree, Shafika? 1 is the smallest prime number, you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, now 1 can be divided by 2 numbers. It can be divided by 1 and divided by 1. And there's only 1 number, not 2 numbers. This one they say 2 numbers. So 1 is not a prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. Okay, let us go through the prime numbers. Okay, we go through. You get what I'm saying? So now 1 is not a prime number. Okay, 1. Can see 1. I cancel it off lah. The 1. This is not a prime number. Why? You can only be divided by 1 number. So this is not a prime number. What about 2? 2 can be divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, or 3 or more?
2.
2, right? You can divide by 1, can divide by 2. So this is prime number. 3, what about 3?
1.
1 number only?
0.
Hello. What are the factors of 3? 1 times 3 lah. Hello. 1 and 3. So this is a prime number. So Shafika, come back here, Shafika. Don't run away. This time there is no more hiding away from your video. Why are you turning on the video? Okay, I will not continue until you come back. Come back, Shafika, unless you're dancing inside the room. I do not know what you're doing. Sophia, you think she's dancing?
Ready?
Huh?
Ready on.
I cannot see. I can. Now they can see. Okay. Now, so, Shafika, you must answer this question. Is 4 a prime number? How many factors are there? Huh?
Yes, it's a prime number.
Okay, let's see. 1 times 4. 2 times 2 also lah. There's 1, 2, and 4. There's 3 factors. Cannot be prime number. The definition is only 2 factors.
Then why is 1 not a prime number?
Because 1 only 1 times 1, 1 number only. They want 2 numbers only.
Oh.
Okay. Sophia, you look confused.
3.
Okay, 3 is right. 4 not. 5, that's not I show you is. 6, Sophia, is it prime number or not?
No. 2 is a prime number.
Prime number can be divided by 2 numbers. 1 and itself.
Like 1 times.
Okay, let's say 3. 1. The
Oh,
factors
1,
of 3.
1 is not prime number because 1 times 1.
Yeah, well, it's only 1 number. What? 1 only.
Okay.
Whereas 3 is 1 and 3. 2 is 1 and 2. 5 is 1 and 5. 6 is not a prime number. Why? Because 1 times 6, 2 times 3, there's 4 factors. You learn factors, right? Remember? Factors you learn, remember not? Factors. Oh, the frowning dah. Remember factors. Factors are not... Sorry?
6 is not right.
No, 6 is not. Okay. 6 is not... 6, 7? What about 7?
Yes.
Yes,
No.
1 times 7 only, right? There's only 2 numbers, 1 times 7.
Oh.
So, yes, prime number. 8.
No.
8? No.
No.
No, because 1, 2, 4, and 8. 4 factors. 2 times 4 is 8, what? 2 times 4 is what, Sophia? 2 times 4.
2 times 4.
What is answer? 2 times
Sorry?
2 times 4 is what?
8.
8 nah, so you cannot be, see?
8.
1 times 8, 2 times 4. These are all the factors of 8. Correct? Nah? Is 1 a factor of 8?
Yes.
2 a factor of 8? She forgot
Yeah.
what's factors. Factors are numbers that can be divided by 8. Okay, 8 divided by 1, 8 divided by 2. So once you have more than 2, is not a prime number.
Prime number
Okay?
is only 1 digit. Number.
No,
No.
not yet. No. Okay. 9 cannot. 9
Cannot.
cannot, because 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 9
Oh.
and 3 times 3 cannot. 10 cannot. 10
Cannot.
cannot. 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Are you getting it? Sophia, from your look, you're not getting it. So I'm going to write it down. There's 10 down here. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So what are the factors of 10? Sophia says 1, 2, 5, and 10. There's 4 factors. So cannot be prime number. Prime number must only have 2 factors. 1 times the number. The prime number, let's say 5. It's only 1 times 5 only. 7, 1 times 7. 3, 1 times 3. Can you see there's only 2 factors, always 2 factors. Can? Okay, now 10 cannot. Okay, 11 cannot. 11. Is it a prime number?
Yeah.
What about Shafika? 11 cannot, Shafika?
Yeah.
Cannot. Can.
So 11 is a prime number.
Can.
So you have already answered your question. You say prime number are smaller than 10. No, this one is bigger than 10. Okay. So it will continue until, notice, most prime numbers are odd or even. Look, this is prime number. This is prime number. This is prime number. This is, most of them are odd except for number 2. Number 2 is the only even prime number. After that, no more even number. That's prime. Number 2 is the only even prime number and is the smallest prime number. All the rest will be odd. So let us look into Google now. Okay, share Google. We go to share Google lah. Oh, wrong share. Ajaran sesat. You go to the wrong share. Ajaran sesat. Now let's see. Now here. So we type list of prime numbers. Okay, let us see now. So down here, so many. See down here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 30. The number can go high, very high. Prime numbers up to 10,000. 10,000 is not prime. So these are prime numbers. Can you see not? These are numbers that have no other factors other than 1 in itself. So 101 cannot be divided except by 2 numbers, 1 and 101. All these numbers here can only be divided by 2 numbers, 1 and the number itself. Do you understand? So what is the biggest prime number? Mathematicians are still trying to figure out the numbers so big, you don't know, So at set 1, they will only ask you small prime numbers like this. The prime numbers, they'll ask you maybe only in this list, the first one. Yeah. Normally it's the first row. Because how to find out prime number? Imagine 953, is it a prime number? You got to divide by 1, divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 4, divide by... Alamak, yeah, it's a prime number. You know what I mean? Are you okay now? Hey, you understand now? Sophia, you understand? Sophia, you have the look of you don't understand. But you understand, huh? Shafika, you understand? Okay. Shafika, why you keep on turning off the video? Is there someone behind, is it? Momok, You got momok or something. Okay, here we go. We are going to start the worksheet.
Wi-Fi lagging.
Okay. Wi-Fi lagging. Okay. Circle all the prime numbers here. Down here. Circle all the prime numbers. And go. Ouch. Hey, you guys must get an A this year, inshallah. Why you cancel, Shafika? Don't cancel lah. Don't think on my worksheet lah. I want to. Don't be like that. Okay, let's go through. Are we ready? Not yet. Okay, you carry on first. Carry on. Can you see what I'm doing, or you can see the worksheet? Sophia can see worksheet. Okay, good. Because I'm doing something to scan for the next lesson. Okay, 1 minute left to finish it. Okay. Are you done? Sophia, you done, Sophia? Yes.
Yes.
Shafika? Okay, what are the prime number? Okay, Sophia, you read out your list, Sophia.
2, 7, 12, and 29.
Do you agree, Shafika? She said 2, 7, 12, and 29. Do you agree? Hey, gasak buta lah. Hey, Shafika, don't just agree. One of her answers wrong. Which one? 2, 7, 12.
What?
2, 7, 12, and 29.
12.
Which one is wrong? Sophia, which one is wrong?
2, 7,
12.
12. Because 12, 3 times 4
and
can be
29.
12. 2 times 6. 29 is correct. 29 is a prime number. 29 is a prime number. So 1 times 29 is 29. That's all. We don't have any other factors. Okay. Now, now the next one now. I'm going to come back. Okay. If you see composite, can you see this word composite? Composite means, sorry?
Shaheed.
Yes. You are lagging, huh? Yes. Yes, Shafika? You are lagging. You're just holding your chin, just looking at both of us. Shafika, you say something I cannot hear you. Mine is not. She disappeared. Okay, we just wait for a while. Our sister is coming back. So, are you okay not, Sophia? You look a little bit sad. Why? You know what happened, right? I told your mom what happened, right? Were you shocked? You are. I think they're like the best student among the 4, you know. And then I think you were overconfident, before I let Shafika in. Do you know that what happened or not? The rest all got D, you got E. Can't be, it cannot be. You are better than, I think you are the same standard as Shafika, or better. So I think you are overconfident. So be careful, okay? This time around, don't be overconfident, okay? All right? We let Shafika in. Ika, where will you go? Where do you go to, Ika? You must fix your Wi-Fi lah. You must fix your Wi-Fi, okay? Then how? Don't you say, no, because of this, I have to turn off my video. That's what Raihana going to do. Fix your Wi-Fi lah. Try to find a solution for your Wi-Fi. Because I need to see you. I need to see all the students. The only discount was last year. Okay, here we go. We move on to the next question, okay? The next question now, it says, which one is the prime or composite? So down here, if you say composite means the factors is more than 2, okay? So which one is prime, which one is composite? Composite means factors more than 2. We go through like one by one. No need to, I think you just guess. 26, prime or not? Sophia? 26, is it prime or not?
No.
No. Because can divide by 2. Remember, we saw that the even number, there's only one even prime number, which is 2. Okay, 53. 53. Is it prime or not? Prime, Shafika? Ika? 53, is it? Shafika, you're not here and there. Okay, never mind. Okay, I do not know whether you can hear us. We have to continue lesson. You fix your Wi-Fi, cannot by next lesson. Shafika, you fix your Wi-Fi by next lesson. C, Sophia, C, prime or not?
No.
Why not? How do you know? Why not?
Because 108 can divide by 2. Right.
Yes, can divide by 2. Good. It's an even number. Yes, well done. 247. 247, Shafika. Is it a prime number or not? 247. Shafika, 247. Shafika is not there. Sophia, what do you think? 247?
Not.
Not, huh? Okay, good. Not. Okay, we finally got an answer from her. What can it be divided by? 247? It can be divided by
5.
5 cannot. 5 timetable is always 0505. See, 5, 10. You look at the last digit, 10, 15, 20. It's always 5 or 0. The back part, the last digit will always be 5 or 0. 5 timetable. Do you notice that? Yes.
Can we use calculator?
Yes. Okay. All right. I forgot to tell you. You are in Sec 1 now. You can use calculator for both papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay. You use your calculator, please. That's why I asked you to bring a calculator. So I forgot to tell you. So now 247. What number can it be divided by other than 1 and 247? Wow. It's delicious. I got to have a cup of ice cream too. I myself will try now. Okay, you can divide by 19. You try. 247 divide by 19. 247 divide by 13. Either one. So there's 4 factors. The 4 factors of 247 are 1 times 247. So 1 and 247, then 13 times 19. These are the 4 factors. Okay, so the 4 factors are this. But sometimes it's not too easy to find out now. Okay, we move on to the next one now. Okay, this is now index notation. I'm going to show you on the board. Okay, you follow what I'm doing. I do not know whether Shafika can follow or not. Shafika, if you cannot follow, please tune into the video. Okay, you got to fix your Wi-Fi. That means your Safia and all, how they're going to be, man, later. Okay, index notation. We asked Sophia. Sophia, what does this mean, Sophia?
Is it the two
times
square root 2 times 3.
2 times 2 times 2. This means same number times itself. So if I say 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. If 2 to the power of 5, you will see 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just add at times, add at times, add at times, add at times. Okay, that's what it means. We will ask now, we will ask Shafika. Shafika, this is a girl. Oh, no, I cannot see here. Shafika, this is a girl. Okay, and the girl has small 3 to the power of 3. What does it mean?
Means 3
Girl
times
3 girls, not 3 times 3.
Oh.
Girl, like that. Girl times girl times girl. You get it?
Yes.
Sophia, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now. So why am I giving you this so that you understand? Sophia, you tell me now. Like that, what does it mean?
5.
star times star times star times star times star.
Yes, like that. That's all. That's all it means. Okay. So if you see this means same number times itself, but you will see 5 of the, not plus. Now I show you now. What is the difference between 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 2 times 2 times 2? The difference is 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the power of 3. You call this power of 3. 2 plus 2 is 2 times 3. 2 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 2. This you learn in primary school, right? 2 times 3 is 2 times 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or this can be 3 plus 3. Either one, you get 6. But when you have to the power, this small number here, it means it's called to the power of. Down here means you can write down something somewhere. To the power of. Okay, Shafika, to the power of. Means you must times itself. How many times you see this number? That's the number of times the number will appear. Easy, yeah? Easy not?
Yeah.
Easy, okay? All right, now let us now go to the worksheet. Okay, when they ask you to write index notation, you are supposed to write like what I showed you just now. Okay, where is ya Allah? Where is it? You stuff. Okay, do question 3, please.
Sorry,
Question
we
do cannot see it.
Cannot.
Yeah.
Okay, what about now? Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, number 3, yeah. You do question A, B, C, D. Okay, just give me one moment.
That is correct.
Okay, are you done, girls?
Yes.
Okay, what's your answer, Miss Sophia, for 2A?
16.
16. Okay, what's your answer for 2A, Miss Shafika?
It also.
Okay, now that means you don't understand one word. Okay, there is this word. Can you see this word? It says, where is the marker?
Wait, this one
Okay.
is called index notation.
Index notation. This one. Alamak, what they are doing? Index notation means the power. You must use the power. So now let me show you again. If you have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, what is the index notation? 3 to the power of?
3 to the power of 4.
Good. So they want you to do the same thing there. Okay.
Like
Let me
that.
show you again. Yes, like that. That is called index notation. Later on, we'll go why. We'll ask why do they do that. Okay. Hey, sorry. What has happened? Sorry. ABCD.
Then
Mm-hmm.
how to do B?
Okay, how to do B? Sophia, you got answer for B?
No.
Okay, now it should be, yeah. Let us group this one. What is the index notation for this one?
2 to the power
To
of
the
2.
power of. Do you agree now, Shafika?
Yes.
Shafika, what's the index notation for this one?
3 to the power of 7 to the
Which one? 3 to the power 7, 7 to the power 3.
7 to the power of 3
Good. So all you need to do is just times there.
times.
Yeah, you can
Means
see like that, like this. 2 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 3. They want you to write like that. Get it?
oh
Okay,
yes.
now we go back. We go back. So you try ABCD, yeah? All right, question number B. What's the answer? Either one. Sorry, either one. Question number B. What's the answer? Is 3 times 5 times 5, is it? That's the question, right? 3 times 5. What's the question? 3 times 5 times 5. So what is the prime factorization?
3 times 5 to the power of 2.
Sophia, you agree?
Yeah.
Now, I want you, yeah, this is correct, but I want you to understand, this one, there's a power down here. What do you think is the power here? What number do you think? Is it 0?
1.
1, yes. Remember, this is not 0, this is 1. But 1, we don't write, just like x, we don't write 1x, right? We write x. Same thing. Power,
Right.
sorry?
No need to write that.
No
1.
need to write 1, okay? Don't write 1, okay? So you know how to do. So that one is, you got it correct. So let us go to the next one now. But why is this, I say, becoming small? Okay, try C and D, please. Sophia, what's the answer for C?
3 to the power of 3 times 7 times 19.
Shafika, is your answer the same? Frozen. Okay, Sophia, what's the answer for D? Shafika, what's your answer the same? 3 to the power 3 times 7 times 19. Is it the same? Shafika, what's the answer for C? Shafika cannot hear lah.
Same.
Same, okay. Shafika, what's the answer for D?
5 times 7 to the power of 3 times 11 to the power of 2.
Sophia, you got the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay, now you have mastered index notation already. Index, the word index, you write it down somewhere. This refers to the power. Index means the power. Okay? Index means when we say the power of, that's index. The one index is, okay. Your chapter, sometimes they write indices. Indices is the plural of index. This is just for you to know, plural of index. Okay? So you will see in your chapter, the title is indices. That means plural. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, you must target to get an A lah, please, both of you. Both of you supposed to be passing your maths last year. Now, this word, you know what this is, right? Prime. So they want to make this number 24 a product of prime numbers. So I'm going to show you how. Okay. Okay, you follow what I do, okay? I'm going to use the factor 3. Factor 3. Okay, this one, just write down the title lah. I will show you two methods. Factor 3. Pokok factor. So let's say we have the number the number 10. We branch out. We start with the smallest number, prime number. What is the smallest prime number?
1.
No, 1 is not a prime number. 2, yes. So 2 times what equals to 10?
5.
Okay, so this one means 2 times 5 equals to 10. You break up, it's 2 times 5. So 10, the prime factorization is 2 times 5. Okay, I show you 20 now. 20, yeah. You break up with the smallest number, smallest prime number. What's the smallest prime number?
2.
2. 2 times what equals to 20?
10.
10. 10 is not a prime number. We want to break it to prime number. Can you use 2 again? 2 times something equals to 10. You agree?
Yes.
2 times what?
Yeah.
5.
5.
times
Watch, watch, we take all the prime numbers. 2, 2, 5. 20 equals to 2 times 2 equals to 4. 4 times 5 equals to 20. Is correct. Then we write this as prime factorization. 2 to the power of 2 times 5. Can you see?
Like that.
This is prime factorization.
And what?
So what is prime factorization?
And
Is the product of prime numbers in index form. The product of, so okay, now you write on here, this one, prime factorization. What is it? It is equal to product means times, right? Of prime numbers using index form. Product, prime numbers, index form. You see? There's a product, there's times what? Prime numbers, these are all prime numbers. Index form, there's a power. Are you okay? Shafika, you okay?
The one
As we practice
of prime
product of prime numbers. Prime numbers. Using index form. Index is this power index. Remember, I wrote that one, index equals to power. Are you okay, Sophia?
Yeah.
Sophia, your eyes are roving round and round. Okay, but it's okay. Let us try now. We use a factor 3 now. We try now with 100. 100, Sorry, where is the marker? Hold on. Marker jatuh lah. 100. Break up. Can you use 2?
Yes.
2 times what equals 100? 50. Good. 50 can break up again?
Yes.
Yes.
2 can?
Yes.
2 times what equals 50?
25.
25. Okay, 2 times 25. So now break up. Can you use 2 again?
No.
25. What times what equals 25?
5 times
5 times
5.
5. But is this a prime number? Yes, right?
Yes.
So when you have this, you circle 2 prime number, 2 prime number, 5, 5. So 100 is equals to 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20
2
times 5, 100. So equals to what? 2
to
the power of 2 times
5 to the power of 2.
this is the prime factorization. Do you understand?
Yes.
Sophia, you understand, Sophia?
Yes.
Okay, once you understand in school, you have some of your friends, some of you are in a madrasa. When you have some of your friends, they don't understand, I want you to go and teach them. Why? One, you get pahala. The other one is when you teach them, you will understand even deeper. Confirm.
Oh,
Okay, so you have friends who don't understand, you try to help them. Okay? And I'm sure Allah will bless you even more. Okay, now you try. I will tick for you. Do 24, do 168, and 95. These three. 100 we have done already. Drew prime factorization. Prime, you can look at the board now here if you're not so sure. Are you okay? Sophia, you know what to do?
Yes.
You can use a calculator. Sophia can use a calculator. Shafika can use a calculator.
let's try it.
Yeah.
For I find like after like for the 100, you got the index one, right? Must we
Yeah.
like times it then have the answer?
Yeah. You must. There's now 2 to the power of 2
Must
times.
times.
No need to times out. Just leave your answer like that.
Oh, okay.
This is your final answer. If you times out, then you get back the same number.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yeah.
I cannot get the 95.
Did you divide by 5? You can
Yes.
start straight with 5.
5
5,
times
then
9.
what do you get? That's all.
That's all.
19 is also, 19 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So that's your answer, 5 times 19. So you got it actually. Which number you add now? Sophia, 168, is it?
Yes.
Shafika, 168 also, right? Finish, yeah? Finish, okay. Then you do one more, Shafika. You do 720 also. Okay, and that's the last one. Just give me. Okay, let us check. Prime factorization for 24. Okay, you tell me what's the final product, 24. We'll start with Sophia. Sophia, what's the final product?
Um, 2 to the power of 3.
Times? 2
What?
power 3 is, okay, 2 to the power 3 is like that. Equals to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. This is 24. Okay, so let us see. Let us see, 24, look. 2 times what equals to 24, Sophia?
12.
12 can break up again to 2, 2 and 2 times 1 equals to
6.
12? 6. 6 can break up to 2 times
3.
So where is your 3? This one is 1, 2, 3 is the power. This 3 is the number. This one is number. But there's 3 of them, so you will put the power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the power of 3. Then you need to times the last 3. Okay, if you are confused still, I'll show you. If you see the answer is 2 to the power of 3, then let's see. 2 to the power of 3 is what? What is it? Let's see. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. This is not the same. But if let's say now you add a times 3 here. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So this is 2 times 2 times 2. 3, right? Times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. Correct? So final answer, Shafika, do you get 2 to the power of 3 times 3? Do you get this answer? Shafika?
Yes.
Do you get? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I hope you all get it. Now we try now the next one. The next one, Shafika, you tell me now what's the prime factorization of 168? What's the prime factorization of 968, Shafika?
What?
Have you done it?
168.
Yeah.
3 to the power of 2
3 to the power 2 times. Cannot
1.
hear.
11.
One more. Times 11.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 to the power 2 is 3 to the power 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 11 is 99.
Of 2 times 1.
Okay. What about Sophia? What's your answer for 168?
2 to the power of 3
2 to the
times
power
7
3 times 7
times
times
3
11
times
times
3.
3. Okay, let us see whether you're correct. First of all, let us check. We are going to do now 168. Break up. Can divide by 2? Safika, can
Yes.
divide by 2? Then where is your 2? You got no 2 here.
2.
Yeah.
Oh, I salah buat.
Salah buat. Okay.
2 to the
So,
power of 3
then times
times 11.
2 to the power 3 is what is 2 to the power 3? You use a calculator. 2 to the power 3, what's your answer? 2 times 2 times 2.
Oh, wait.
8, right? 8, right?
Yeah.
Then 8 times 11 is 88 only. Not enough.
Not enough.
Then,
So that's why we try this one. Look. Yeah, we do together. Okay, the board is dirty. Okay, now can you see now? Now 2 times what is 168? Anyone? Both of you lah. Anyone? Come, you just tell out the answer. Come on, girls. 84. Then 84 can divide by 2 again. Can, right? This one become
42.
2 times 42. This one can divide again. 2 times
21.
21. This one can divide by 2 again.
No.
Can divide by 3?
No.
Yes, can. 3 times what equals to 21?
Oh, 7.
7. So you see 1, 2, 2 2s, 3 2s. So 2 to the power 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 of the 2s. The 2 you must write here, Shafika, times 3 times 7. This is the answer. Okay, Sophia, you got this answer correct. Only thing, your arrangement, they want it to be neat. So small to big. Yours is 2 to the power 3, correct, 2 to the power 3. 3 is here, 3 is here. 7 is here, 7 here. So yours is correct, but arrange it neatly. 2 to the power 3, then go to the next bigger number, 3, and then go to 7. Okay? You get it?
Yeah.
Get it? Why look so sad, Sophia?
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes? I'm going too fast. What?
But then 3, right? The number 3 for the 21. The number is like not prime number, right?
3 is a prime number. What number can be divided by 3? Is 1 and 3. 1 times 3 is 3.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, and then 7 is 1 times 7 is 7. All these are prime numbers. Okay. Shafika, you okay, Shafika? Okay, Okay, let us see. Let us move to 720. Shafika, you have done 720? Sophia, have you done?
No.
720. Okay, Sophia, you do. Shafika, you do extra one, 225. Or Shafika, what's your answer for B? Because I went through with Sophia just now. Your answer for B is what?
5 times
5 times? 5 times?
19.
Correct. Okay, 5 and 19. 19 is also a prime number. Okay, so you do the next one, 225. Sophia, you got an answer for 720, Sophia?
My answer is 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 10.
10 is not a prime number. 1 times 10, 2 times 5.
Oh.
Hold on, Shafika. Shafika, you check your answer for 720. Sophia is going to give us the answer in a moment.
But then, like, so is it
How many twos do you have?
4
Good. So 2 to the power 4
times 3 to the power of 2 times 5.
Okay. Sophia, Shafika, do you get the same answer for 720?
Yes.
Same the thing.
Yes.
Same. Okay, let me check. 9 times 5, 45, 45, 45. This is 2 times 2 times 2, 16. 16, 45, 450, 6, 90, 90, 92, 70. Zoom, 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 zoom. Correct, congratulations. You understand, huh? Iman entered the waiting room. Not yet, not yet. This is Iman, not yet. See, now I'm worried now. Because I give all the students the same link. So student can come in earlier. Okay, but anyway. So, okay, Okay. So now we are now going to move on to the next question. 225, what's the answer, Shafika? 225. Have not done. Shafika, not done. Okay. Let us do question number 5. You try. You try to do prime factorization for 15484. Okay, you don't worry about this one. You just write 1584 like that. You write like that. Okay, what is it equal to in terms of prime factorization? You do that one first. Later, then we solve the question. Do prime factorization for 1584. Shafika, are you there?
Mr. Shaheed?
Yeah.
My answer for 225 is 3 to the power of 2 times 5.
3 to the power of 2 times 5. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Shafika, what's the answer for E? Shafika, are you there not? Just now I see you moving for a while. Now you're not moving. Shafika, what's the answer for E? Shafika! What's the answer for E? E. Ika! What's the answer for E? Okay, I will do now again. I'll do together. Shafika, you got to fix your Wi-Fi, otherwise you won't be able to follow. No? 225. Okay, Sophia, you tell me, can divide by what number? Can divide by 3 not?
Yes.
Are you sure? Can divide by 3?
7.
What's the answer? 3 times what? 70?
5.
Okay, 3 times 7. Then 75 can divide. Shafika, are you there? 3 can divide. Now you're lagging again. 3 can times what equals to 75, Sophia?
25.
Good. 25 can break up down some more. Can divide by 3?
No.
Can divide by another bigger prime number. What is it?
5.
5. 5 times what? 5 times 5, right?
Yeah.
So how many 3s do you have?
2.
3 to the power 2 times how many 5 do you have?
1.
The last one, don't forget.
Oh.
2. Okay, so this is your answer. 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. You missed out one more 5. Shafika, you got to fix your Wi-Fi, Shafika. Otherwise, you won't be able to follow. And I'm worried later Shafia and what's her name? Shafi'i will have same problem. All right, now we try now to find what is the prime factorization of 1584. You find out what's the prime factorization first.
X is
Hold on, eh? Okay. Can you tell me, sorry, what's the answer again?
wait X is 4, Y is 2.
Wow. But what's the prime factorization of 1584?
2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 times 11.
2 to the power of 4. Hold on. 2 to the power of 4. Hold on. Oh, the marker. 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of
Times 3
7.
of 2.
2 times 11. Sophia, do you get the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. So if you get the same thing now, this is how you solve. This is equals to 1584, and this is equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y times 11. So what Shafika says is correct. X must be equal to 4, right? And y must be equal to 2. Easy enough. How easy, yeah? So don't be afraid of the questions. Down here, if they say written as a product of its prime factors, that means this is a product of prime factors. Product means timetable. Prime factors, you know what? All prime numbers. Now you try this one on your own. Similar. Similar. Can you all hear anything just now? Any music? No. Do you hear music? No. All right.
X is 5
X is 5.
and Y is 7.
Y is 7. Now we ask you for the prime factorization. Sophia, have you done? Have you completed?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your prime factorization? 140?
Huh? I'm sorry.
This one 1400? Oh, you cannot see. What's the prime factorization of 1400?
2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 2 times 7.
Is this the same thing for you, Miss Shafika? Yes, right? So as this is equals to 2 power 3 times x to the power 2 times y. So as you guys said, let's see here. Use this. This x must be equals to 5. And this y must be equals to 7. And you're correct. And that is Sec 1 maths. Just a little bit of confusion, but now it's easy. It's easier than your primary 6 work. Now, what does this word mean? Integers. What does it mean? Make a guess.
This is a new.
This is your sec 1, your first chapter. Integers means what? I can't hear your voice. Your voice disappeared, Shafika. Integers, Sophia, what is it?
Like letters.
Integers means whole numbers. Okay, so you write somewhere. Integers means whole numbers.
Whole what?
Whole numbers.
Integer.
Integers means whole numbers. Okay, can you try this one now? Number 4. Okay, are we ready? 1 minute more, 1 minute more. 1 minute more. Okay, Sophia, are you there? Sophia, what's the answer for question A?
2 to the power of 5.
Good. What about Miss Shafika? What's the answer for B? Ika, what's the answer for B?
2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the
Times?
power of 2 times 3 3 to the power of 4.
Good, well done. Now, the next one, don't worry, okay, they didn't ask for prime factorization. The next one, they did not ask for prime factorization. So you can just use the 4 and 4 and 4, no problem. Sophia, what's the answer for C?
7 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 3.
Good. D. Shafika.
5 to the power of 4 times 8 to the power of 3.
Well done. Okay, we try. Hold on, not all, huh? 1, 2. Shafika can do question D. Okay, Sophia, question D. Can do?
2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5.
2 to the power of 3, 8 times 9, 72 times 5. Congratulations. So Shafika got the same answer. 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Shafika, what's the answer for question E?
2 to the
Sorry?
power of 3 times 3 times 5 to the power of
5 to the power of? 5 to the power of what? So 2. To the power of 3 times 5 to the power, 2 to the power of 3, 8 times 25. 8 times, I don't think so. Sophia, what's your answer for number E?
2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2.
Okay, so you miss out the 3 lah, Shafika. To the power, you miss out the 3. Okay, yeah? Or maybe you said it right. Now, this one you know how to do. This is called a factor 3s. You can see factor 3. Okay. Okay. You try question A. Question A, eh?
what?
Hi. Okay, Shafika, what's the answer for 72? Shafika, what's the answer 72? Do you have? And 378?
What do you mean by 72 and 373 as a product of their prime factors in
Okay.
index? Means you must find the.
Okay.
Is it
So you
2?
do the factor 3. You do factor 3 for 72. You do factor 3 for 378. What's the answer? 72, what's the answer?
Factors.
Prime factorization. This is prime factorization.
Means?
Product of prime. There's factor 3 lah.
Oh,
You forgot. Forgotten.
confused.
72, the factor 3, what's the factor 3?
Is it 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2?
Yeah, this is the first. Yeah, correct. That's the first one. This was 72. What about 378? Sophia can get?
Yeah.
What's your answer? 378.
2 times 3 to the power of 3 times 7.
Shafika, you get the same thing?
What?
2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3 times 7.
Wait.
I don't think so lah. Sophia,
Wait.
2 to the power of what? Nothing eh?
No.
3 to the power of 3. 27. Okay, maybe you might be right. 27 times 7, let's see. 54. 54 times 7. Yeah, correct. Congratulations, Sophia. You're waiting for Miss Shafika.
Yeah, I got the same.
Okay, so now we won't go to B lah. We won't go to B. So let's see. So we have finished all of this. Okay. So now I'll let you taste a little bit about the sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is a real end of year exam for set 1 normal academic. Okay, normal academic. Let's see whether you can do. And we do the ones that are related in terms of factor and factor 3. Hold on. 1 minute. Not here. And factor 3 is not even here. Okay, but anyway. Hold on. You do not have it here. Let me see. Down here. There. This is an exam paper question. Can you try 7A?
Which one?
Can see, huh?
Yes.
And then if you can do B and C also. Can you get answer, girls?
Miss Shaheed.
Do you get answer, Miss Sophia?
Must do B.
Mr.
Sorry?
Shaheed.
Must do B eh?
Yeah, okay. Do you know what's the meaning of highest common factor?
Must do B.
Yeah. Do you know? Okay,
Oh,
don't need
yes.
to be. You know how to, never mind. You don't need to do B. Let's try
Yeah.
question 7A. What's your answer?
2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7.
Times 7. Let me see.
2 to the power of 3 times.
Times?
Wait. Number 7 or 7A?
7A. We're looking at 7A.
7A. Express express 504 as product of Index factor.
It's a product of what? It's factor, yeah.
Or nothing.
Yeah. That's the answer for A. What's the answer for A?
2 to the power of times 3 to the power of 2.
Times? One more digit. One more
3
number.
to the power 2
Times?
times 7.
Okay. Sophia, your answer is the same,
7.
right?
Yes.
So congratulations. You both can redo one of the questions in the exam paper. Congratulations. This already can be done. So this one maybe not yet lah. The bottom one not yet. Okay. Let's try now. Okay, we will try now something else. Okay, I'm going to teach you some other thing, but I do not know whether we should do it now or later. Okay, here we go. We have 4 minutes more. So we'll just revise. I think we revise.
Wait, what? 4 minutes more?
Yeah, 4 minutes more to the end of the lesson.
What? That's so fast.
Fast, wow.
Yeah.
You know, I've been teaching 3 classes. I got another 2 more. I got a pingsan already. It's just sitting down here and teaching and okay. But anyway, let's say now, what did we cover today? I'm so sorry. I am a little bit like a drunk now. Mabuk already. No, this is not what I want. Okay, prime factorization. So I'm going to ask you guys some question, girls some question. What's the difference between prime factorization and index notation? What's the difference? Prime factorization and index notation. You all know the difference. Index, you know index. We are talking about the index. We are talking about what? The what? Power. Remember, index, we're always talking about the power. Prime factorization, we are talking about product of the numbers with index, but these numbers are prime numbers. So prime factorization is the product of prime numbers using index notation. Do you get it?
Mr. Shaheed, the one is what?
What?
What is the beside index that one?
Beside index, power, index notation.
Oh, okay.
So index notation, if the question is asking you in index notation, you don't need to prove prime number. So down here, for example, let's say 10 times 4 times 10 times 4. You can just say 4 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 2. But if it's prime factorization, all these must be prime numbers, which you have done using the factor 3. Okay? Okay? We will end here, but I will send you the video. I do not know whether you watch the video or not, but I will send you the worksheet also. Okay, I just want to ask again, both of you are using 2 different books, right?
Yes.
So okay, we may have to you have to buy.
This thing like Sophia book. The last year.
Sorry, sorry, boy. Sorry, boy. Sorry, girl. So yeah, that's what you have, right? Or you buy? You buy, is it? You buy.
Also, my brother like
Okay,
no,
but we
my
need to
brother
buy.
one.
Yeah, but that's the textbook. We need you to buy the workbook set 1 for practice. Okay.
Apa you do?
Okay, I will send a message to your
Oh,
parents.
wait.
Yeah.
The one that I have is a textbook.
Textbook. You don't have the workbook. I
No.
thought there's sec 1. There's workbook. You know.
When school open, then I get.
Okay. So that means you buy the other one. You are having the discovery, right? Yours is thing or discovery? Discovery, yeah? Yeah. So you buy the thing. Let me. I just show you what you guys have now. That's now you all showed me. Now this one is what who has. This is so you are using discovery. So Sophia, you buy this book. You buy this one. But buy the workbook, and buy 1A and 1B Express. Express, they will not write the name Express here. Okay, I will take a photo of it and I will send you lah. Okay, and then Miss Shafika, you will buy Sophia's book, but the workbook. Both of you buy the extra workbook. Okay, I will catch up with you next lesson, same time, 3:30 on next Saturday. Are you all okay? You prefer it like that, no? No,
Yeah.
Better can concentrate lah.
Anything can.
This one is because your parent is there. You're being forced to say what you're supposed to say. Is it true?
No.
Okay then. All right then. Okay then. We see you then. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.